you ready to say goodbye to breastfeeding? In this video, I'm going to show you an age-old remedy that has been used for centuries and will help you stop breastfeeding in no time. Learn how vinegar can be used as a natural alternative to conventional treatments. 1. What is the age-old remedy used to stop breastfeeding? The age-old remedy used to stop breastfeeding is the use of vinegar. Vinegar has been used since ancient times as a way to stop milk production and wean babies from breastfeeding. The acidic nature of vinegar works by reducing the flow of milk, reducing nipple sensitivity, and ultimately causing discomfort for the baby and mother. 2. How long has vinegar been used as a natural alternative to conventional treatments? Vinegar has been used as a natural treatment for many ailments since ancient times. Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans were some of the first to use vinegar medicinally. Throughout history, vinegar has been used to treat everything from colds to toothaches. It is even recorded that Hippocrates prescribed vinegar baths as a remedy for certain medical conditions. In more recent years, vinegar has become increasingly popular among mothers looking for alternative treatments for their babies' minor health issues, such as diaper rash or teething pain. Vinegar can also be used to reduce the effects of colic or bloating in infants and babies. For breastfeeding mothers, using vinegar can help with sore nipples due to engorgement or thrush. However, it is important to note that vinegar should not be used as a replacement for professional medical advice and should only be used in accordance with your doctor's instructions. 3. What are some of the benefits of using vinegar for breastfeeding cessation? Vinegar has been used for centuries as an effective and natural alternative to traditional methods of breastfeeding cessation. Benefits include no need for medical intervention or medication, making it a safe choice for many women. Vinegar is easy to use and can be done at home without relying on outside help. Studies indicate that vinegar may reduce the discomfort associated with weaning, including nipple soreness. Some research suggests that vinegar may even reduce the risk of mastitis, an infection in the breast tissue that can result from weaning too quickly or abruptly. The cost of using vinegar is minimal compared to other methods of breastfeeding cessation, making it an affordable option for most families. 4. What type of vinegar should be used for this purpose? When saying goodbye to breastfeeding with vinegar, it is important to use the right type of vinegar. The best option for this purpose is white distilled vinegar. This kind of vinegar is made from grain and has a mild flavor that will not overpower the flavor of your milk. Additionally, it contains no additives or preservatives that could be potentially harmful for your baby. White distilled vinegar can usually be found in any grocery store and should not cost more than a few dollars. Using other types of vinegar such as apple cider or balsamic may introduce unwanted flavors into your milk and can even cause digestive problems in your child since they are much stronger than white distilled vinegar. 5. How often and how much should you use it in order to achieve desired results? When using vinegar to say goodbye to breastfeeding, it is important to use the correct amount in order to achieve the desired results. As a general rule, you should mix 1 part vinegar with 5 parts water and apply this mixture directly onto your nipples for at least 10 minutes each day. Depending on the severity of your condition, you may need to increase or decrease the frequency or amount of vinegar used. In any case, it is best to talk to your doctor before beginning any type of home remedy treatment. Additionally, be sure to discontinue use once symptoms have subsided and/or when instructed by your doctor. By following these guidelines, you can successfully bid farewell to breastfeed while maintaining healthy skin. 6. Are there any side effects associated with using vinegar for breastfeeding cessation? Yes, there may be some side effects associated with using vinegar for breastfeeding cessation. Some of the potential side effects include stomach upset, nausea, and vomiting. Additionally, you may experience a burning sensation in your breast tissue and nipples after applying vinegar. If any of these symptoms occur or if you experience any other adverse reactions, it is important to seek medical attention right away. It is also recommended that you consult with a healthcare professional before attempting to use vinegar for breastfeeding cessation, as there could be potential risks associated with this practice. In addition, it is important to note that vinegar should not be used on broken skin or open wounds, as this can cause further irritation and lead to infection. 7. Is vinegar an effective approach to stopping breastfeeding, or has it not been widely studied yet? Vinegar has not yet been studied as a method of stopping breastfeeding, and there is limited evidence to suggest that it works. But anecdotal reports from mothers who have tried vinegar while weaning their babies off breast milk have been largely positive. Some have found success with this approach, although the results may vary depending on the individual mother and baby. Additionally, some experts did not recommend its use due to potential risks associated with ingesting too much vinegar or exposing your baby's skin to its acidity of it. It is important to speak with a healthcare professional before attempting this approach in order to understand any potential risks and ensure that your baby is receiving adequate nutrition if transitioning away from breast milk. Ultimately, whether or not vinegar is an effective approach to stopping breastfeeding is up to each individual mother and her healthcare provider. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you an overview of how to say goodbye to breastfeeding with vinegar. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like and comment below, and subscribe for more videos on parenting tips. Thanks so much for watching. We wish all the best as your little one grows up.